guys, so it's me again, Emergence Journey, and for today's video I'm going to show you or tour you the Alster Tower. So this is what it looks like from outside.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, from here, let's go inside my house.
Okay guys, let's have a house tour of the Queen. This one,
Maybe they're wearing that before.
armor, full armor.
They're wearing that before.
I think it's their, I don't know what it's called. They should have like this.
How are we gonna go? Yan na, balik ka na lang nato kung mga tao kayo.
Yeah! So with one Filipina there, as usual, you can see everywhere. Plus, nice meeting. And here, this is inside there. I'm going to the how do you call that, veranda. It's so nice over there. You can see the whole area of Louise River. And that's there outside. Beautiful. And now let me take you out again, show you around the tower. Pastry was here before we purchase my attention. Cream and blue. It is very strong word. Is that means that don't stop dreaming and believe that you can get it. Let me bring you at the back side of the tower, Alster Tower. This is it. By the way, the Alster Tower is often referred to as the Playhouse. This has the two-lane bowling alley, a kitchen, billiard room, Venetian room, library, shell room, and theater. So I guess this is why they call this place as Playhouse.
Yeah, I know. It's so strong because there are big boats here.
So that's the quick tour for today's video, guys, and I hope you like it. The next video will be at the other side of the castle. That's the powerhouse and the garden there. So see you.